Hey everyone! Everyone willing to start learning Russian. If you have already learned your alphabet, whether you have taken my phonetic course or you learned it through some other resources, I know you're ready to move on. My name is Anya and I'd like to offer you online lessons. These lessons are part of my flipped class. If you don't know what a flipped class is, a flipped class is a great learning strategy. When you watch an instructional video online, at home, at a convenient time, in your own pace, and then you learn the concept and then you come to the lesson for a focused speaking practice, application of the concept for activities and discussion. This approach fits all those who value their time and want to use it efficiently to reach their goals faster. It also fits those who prefer to use their class time in a more productive way and actually speak at the lesson 80% of the time. These lessons will also be useful for all those self-learners that I admire greatly. You just have to make sure you take time for speaking practice. Somewhere, someplace, you do need another human to interact with. We all understand that speaking a language is a completely different skill that takes separate practice, special attention if you actually want to speak the language. Now, how is it all going to work? These lessons will be arranged in the same order as if I was teaching one-on-one lessons. There will be a short instructional video explaining just one concept. I will try to provide a link to the exercises online to help you practice this concept. I'll give you vocabulary lists, but keep in mind that all of these exercises are for a mechanical practice to help you memorize the forms. And to be able to speak, of course, you have to speak with an actual person. The vocabulary that I'm going to use in my lessons is all according to the level. So, what do you need to start these lessons? You do need to be able to confidently relate sounds with symbols, with Russian letters, recognize Russian letters, understand the principle of hard and soft consonants, voicing and devoicing consonants, and you do need to remember the 8-letter spelling rule, the 7-letter spelling rule, and the 5-letter spelling rule. Now, if you're not familiar with some of these concepts I just mentioned, I advise you contact me for my phonetic self-study guide. If you are familiar with them, then let's get started. I'll see you in the next video.